Step on the shopping, you see it?
Yo, we left the shirt feet thing, dog. My fault.
Oh, family wagwan, you know it's Flame God TV, and what's the man this I don't own YouTube, just I try to get him a piece. You see me? I'm there, I say yo from when everybody a link me and I say yo, wagwan for your post, wagwan for your post. You see me, the post me I talk about the one post I'm gonna do with me and King Tavi. You see me, everybody wanna know wagwan. You see me, everybody wanna know if we're gonna do collabs, if me and Tavi are link about the place and what, you see it? Alright, so I'm gonna come for clarify that, you see it? More or less, I'm not going to say about things with me and Tavi related, you see me, as in content I go push up on the YouTube. Tavi I shoot a video for him, new thing, you see me. A new video where I'm going to drop on thing, you see me. So we just there again a little preview of it, you see me, so you can see what go on, what go down, you see me. Some little behind the scenes clips, so we know say we now go see that, you see me, so you can see how what have it be like, you see me, when him in the streets. Anyway, you don't know say yo going forward, you know, I go have some videos with King Tavi himself, you see me. I go be featured in some of his videos, them I go be featured in my videos them as well, you see me. What heap of work to put in on them, you see me. For the time being while I'm here, you don't know say yo we cover film content as well as mine, you see me. Probably wanna see some vlog on the channel with me and Tavi soon, you see me. I'm not telling you for hold on bread same way, but you don't know say yo that is a possibility. Step on the shopping, you see it?
Yo, we left the shirt feet thing, dog. My fault. You understand?
Yo, and a medium you want a small.
Biggs.
Yo.
Wicked man in a Biggs. You said don't black it then.
Yeah? Machine,
nah, man, that will take when sale.
Alright, come in.
Alright, just keep running.
I'm gonna put on the shirt right now. Right.
A lot of collabs, you see me, a lot of skits coming out, you see me, some vlogs, you see me, because I know say your people interested to see how King Tavi daily day lifestyle stay, you see me, so yo, I don't know say I'm going to have that covered. So you see me, as usual, you don't know, hit the like button, you see me, turn on post notifications so you can get updated when I drop any content, whether it's going to be Flame God or Flame God and Tavi related, you see me, you don't know say yo, I'm going there, so make sure you lick the like button there. You see me, so on the door mess a beat. You see me? So anyway, you don't know say yo, Tavi in the place, watch it, you see me, shoot a one flame that things, you see me, boom, we go collect some things or we miss, you see it, because I mean like the boss forget to carry some of the gears, so you don't know what things it. So yeah man, so we have to collect that and make a swing, you see me? So you don't know say yo, people, you don't want to say more, you don't know how to do the crime. Yeah people, I know say it's just a short video for show no what go on, you see me? You know just go and hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel for future content. You see it? So just go and do your thing the right match. So anyway people, the boy Flame God, you see me? I'm always say I don't own YouTube, just I try to get my little piece. Till then, step on the shopping, you see it?
Yo, we left the shirt feet thing, dog. My fault. You understand?
Yo, and a medium you want a small.
Biggs. Wicked man in a Biggs. You said don't black it then. Yeah? Nah, man, that will take when sale.
Alright, come in.
Alright, just keep running.
I'm gonna put on the shirt right now. Right.
Movements.
Yeah, that big line shoot, you know. You don't know, say Alka Michael, you know. Alka Jackson.
Flame God and Jizzy that night,
You don't know a Jizzy there, you know.
Yes.
Flame, say so.
Yo, oh God man, you don't know say we're there with the king himself,
Yeah,
you see Jizzy
yeah,
that over there, so we just go and clutch, you see me?
You know,
I'm gonna burn up YouTube the more.
Tell them what go on.
Oh God man, yo, the man himself, you know, Jackson Risen, see him over there, so you see the gloves, you know see the bomber gloves, yo, magic fingers, what them? Magic bomber class fingers. And Jizzy about no pro, and that you can't wait for them, look more.
Shall be found without the soul for getting down, must stand and face the hounds of hell.